exposing the secret world of France's nude beaches. Why are there not more people talking about this vibrant, liberating culture? Imagine a coastline where worries melt away with the tide. The French Riviera, the Côte d'Azur. The sun here warms your skin with a golden touch, and the Mediterranean whispers against white sand. The air is scented with salty breezes, pine, and lavender. Life slows down. A fresh baguette and local rosé become the day's highlight. This is the backdrop for a unique French tradition, naturist resorts and beaches. Here, the dress code is simply your own skin. Cap d'Agde is more than a beach. It's a community where people walk, shop, and judging. Everyone is equal. Without fashion or status symbols, you're just another person enjoying the day. It's a lesson in acceptance of others and yourself. This is travel that changes how you see the world. On these shores, freedom is more than a word. It's a way of life. And it all starts with the simple act of being yourself. France's naturist culture has deep roots, stretching back over a century. In the early 1900s, doctors and thinkers promoted the health benefits of fresh air and direct contact with nature. The first naturist club, Sparta Club, was founded in 1922, advocating nudity for health and respect for self and environment. After World War II, the movement grew, with the French Federation of Naturism legitimizing the practice. Pioneers like Albert and Christine Lecoq created the world's first naturist holiday centers, making it mainstream. Naturism in France is a respected philosophy, not a fad. It's woven into leisure culture, seen as a reasonable way to enjoy the country's landscapes. This historical foundation gave naturism legitimacy and allowed it to flourish. In France, naturism is simply another way to live well. Naturism in France is embraced, but it's not lawless. The law distinguishes naturism from exhibitionism. Nudity is legal where expected, like designated beaches and resorts. Over 460 sites and 150 official nude beaches are clearly marked, creating safe spaces for all. Inside these zones, nudity is the norm. Outside, it's not allowed. Social etiquette is just as important as the law. Respect is the primary rule. No staring, no judgment. Photography is strictly forbidden without permission. Always bring a towel to sit on. It's basic hygiene and respect. In shops or restaurants, cover up as required. These simple rules make the experience comfortable and safe for everyone. The system ensures naturism is about freedom, not chaos. It's a model of mutual respect that keeps the culture thriving. For many, naturism in France is a year-round philosophy, not just a summer escape. It's about stripping away pretense and embracing authenticity, vivre nu, or living nude. In naturist communities, identity is based on character, not clothing. The French Federation of Naturism supports a vast network of clubs, holiday centers, and activities. Naturists swimming, hiking, and even pottery classes foster deep friendships and shared values. Many centers are pioneers in ecotourism, prioritizing sustainability and harmony with nature. By removing clothing, people feel a stronger bond with the environment. Naturism connects personal well-being, social equality, and ecological responsibility. It's a holistic worldview, starting with accepting the human body as it is. For many, it's simply a better way to live. French cinema treats nudity as a normal part of life, not a spectacle. Unlike Hollywood, French films show the body with matter-of-factness, reflecting a broader cultural comfort. This tradition stems from centuries of art, celebrating the nude form for its beauty and emotional power. Directors use nudity to explore vulnerability and authenticity, not just eroticism. A character's bare skin can reveal more than words ever could. This approach trusts the audience to see beyond the surface. Non-sexual nudity in art and film is accepted, creating space for deeper storytelling. In France, the body is seen as a fundamental part of the human experience. Visiting a French nude beach is an emotional journey as much as a physical one. At first, vulnerability and self-consciousness are natural, but soon, you realize no one is judging. Everyone is simply living. The anxiety about appearance fades, replaced by a new confidence. On a naturist beach, you see real bodies of all shapes and ages, all accepted. It's a powerful lesson in self-acceptance. Your body is worthy, just as it is. This freedom is the true gift of naturism, freedom from shame and comparison. It's a quiet rebellion against a culture obsessed with perfection. By being comfortable in your own skin, you reclaim your worth. You connect with a more authentic human part of yourself. The feeling of wholeness lingers long after you leave the beach. That's the emotional freedom naturism offers. Naturism in France is a radical experiment in equality. Without clothes, social status disappears. A billionaire and a baker are equals on the sand. This creates a unique community built on trust and openness. Conversations flow easily, barriers fall away. The French motto, liberty, equality, fraternity, finds real expression here. There's liberty to be yourself, equality in vulnerability, and fraternity in shared experience. Naturism challenges our ideas about nudity and the body. It shows that confidence comes from acceptance, not perfection. On a French naturist beach, you glimpse a more equal, connected way to live. And that's a travel experience worth seeking.